What's up, everybody? We are in Wrocław today, Saya.
Yay! So it's about 2 hours.
2 hours, not even 2 hours to come from Poznań to Wrocław, so it's not that bad. And can you pronounce the Wrocław properly, Sayang?
Wrocław. Not Wrocław, not Wrocław, but Wrocław. Otherwise, my
Exactly.
Polish teacher will kill me if I say the wrong one. Okay, and let's go.
It's very hot, by the way. It's very hot, that's why we're having umbrella. Sayang, first impression so far?
It's hot, 34 degree right now, and wherever you go, it's like it feel like boiling hot. That's why Damian has to stay under the umbrella.
Okay.
But look at this one. Oh, so cool. So we are going to the Stare Rynek, which means
Market Square.
the market
Old
square.
Market Square.
Let's see. So now we are in the Ratus.
Market Square or Market Square, which is Rynek, and this is City Hall, which is the Ratusz. Very nice, actually, isn't it?
Yes. So let's get closer. Wow. Amazing. Cool, huh?
Yeah,
And look at this one.
pretty busy though, as
Yes.
well.
Yes.
I was filming the Wrocław 2 times,
Uh-huh.
so now it's your turn, Sayan, because I already have my impression on YouTube.
All right, nice. Wow, so now I'm in the Stare Rynek. Behind me is the Ratus, but look at this, the design of the Gothic church. And behind me is the...
Singing,
Wow.
buskers.
Wow, what I can say that I think it's and every cities in Poland, they have a different vibe, but the building architecture somehow some place is the same and some place is different. Let's go. Oh, I'll show you a bit closer. It's beautiful. Okay. Let's go. And that's the restaurant. And look at the building,
Oh,
the
they have a
design.
Hard Rock Cafe actually in
Tak.
Wrocław.
Yes. Yes. Ooh,
Oh,
there's
this
so
one
many
is
restaurants.
this one, Sayang. This one over here is 750 years old. Restaurants on the bottom of the Ratusz. One of the oldest restaurants in Europe, by the way. And the bells.
Oh, look at this one.
So beautiful, isn't it?
Tak. Wow. Ding dong time. Very nice. And I think the architecture of the Ratus here, it's impressive. Wow. And look at the amount of people here.
Okay. I
Nice.
think it's the time for ice cream or something called cola to drink. It's very hot actually.
All
but
right, let's
but
go.
it's nice.
Nice. Wow. Look at the blue sky, the restaurant, and amount of the people here. And look at the building in behind me. And look at the colorful building. Wow. Wow. And wow. These colorful buildings, so impressive. It's hot, 34 degree now. And look at Damian. He has to be under the umbrella.
It's hot. It's hot. But umbrella is really helpful. Looks silly, but it's nice.
It's not silly, Kahanya, but you really look cool on that. And look at this, the amount of people are here. Wow. Wow. And wow. That's the market actually there. We keep walking and walking. It's hot, but it's nice wind. You know, it's not that humid, so it's very enjoyable. And in front of me, very nice concept of fountain with the glass and the stone. And yeah. Wow. Very nice.
So if I'm not mistaken, because there's so many Czech Republic restaurants here or Czech Slovakia bar where you can drink the Czech beer, like this one and there, and so many of them. Because I'm not sure, I'm not the very historical one, but I think the Wrocław belongs to Czech Republic in some part of the history, so that's the Czech influence. Also, it's only like 1 hour to border with Czech Republic. If we wanna go to Prague one day, we're gonna go to Czech one day, definitely. Czech and Slovakia, definitely we're gonna go. Actually, we're gonna travel in Europe, but first Poland first. So it's also very interesting. Every city in Poland, it's a little bit different. That's for sure, right? It's like first impression for Winnie was what she told me, right? It's a little bit
It's
like
just
Poznan.
like mix of Poznan, mix of Munchen, it mix like everything.
Other city what you haven't seen yet. Okay, let's go. There's also nice on the other side where's university. There are other river which is exactly the same river what we crossed the border last time to Germany. A lot of things to show you on today's video.
Oh, look at this beautiful, colorful building. This is like little bit, like I told you, little bit like a Poznan vibe. And yeah, it's nice. Very nice. And look at this restaurant basically.
It's really a lot of restaurants and the bars on the square in Wrocław. Wrocław is famous for that actually. So many places to eat and drink and party when it's night and weekend on the square, yeah? In every city, but Wrocław is like popular for that.
Right. And maybe next time we will have something to drink here, Kohani, maybe after this.
Definitely.
But yeah, we'll show you around first. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, so what is this, Kohani?
So this is the map of Poland before the war, back in 1926. So basically, this was the border of Poland. That was the Prussia. That's why the Wrocław, Poznan, and so on. Actually, I cannot see properly. Poznan was here already. But I think the Wrocław is somewhere here. Either way, we were taking a lot of parts of the Ukraine, Lithuania, Belarus no, but Lithuania and Ukraine. It was like a bigger country than it's today actually, but more into east. But now we are having a little bit of Prussia and we don't have a parts of Ukraine actually. So yeah,
A piece of history.
piece of history.
And I'll show you around again. Wow. Wow. And wow. Oh, look at this. This is the water. So we can cool off ourselves there. So nice.
It's so tempting. Maybe I'm gonna cool down myself like this soon.
Let's go. The ice cream shop. So busy. So
Let's have an ice cream, no?
you wanna have now? Okay.
Small ice cream.
Sure, let's go.
Seems like many people coming here. So
Yes.
I wanna have it.
Okay, let's see. So we buy ice cream. Here it is. This is the price. Actually, for one. Affordable. Nice. And look at this. Ice cream o'clock.
Very nice, actually.
So good. The ice cream here is, I think, much cheaper than in Torun. Takohanya
Cheaper than Torun.
and tastier.
I didn't eat in Bydgoszcz and cheaper than Poznan. That's actually interesting.
So we keep going and going. We will go there to the not Warsaw, Wrocław University, Takohanya. And let's
And
see.
this is the pizza for the pieces. What you told me.
That's so cute. And this one is Boncek.
Look at the fly on the roof. You skip.
Let's go, Kohanya. This one is the Wrocław University or University Wrocławski. And let's go inside because people said that the interior, inside is impressive. Let's see. Oh, look at this guy. Why many statue in Europe naked like this, huh? And look at the people on the top there. So they're gonna make a movie here, Kohanya?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, premium film team.
Yeah.
Nice.
They're preparing the place for the show.
Okay, let's go to the university then. Maybe that one, no? Let's go. Look at this one, so cute. And the museum, I guess. Here. Let's see. I go inside and I pay 20 zloty for all houses. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at the ceiling. Wow. Nice. Look at this. Wow. It's so impressive. This is from the Baroque. Wow. Nice. Wow. And wow. This is impressive. Wow. Look at on the top, the ceiling. It is very impressive. Wow. This is just the University of Wrocław. Very, very nice. This one is the aula. Wow, look at this. This one is the Aula Leopoldina. Wow. Wow, look at this one. Impressive. This is very impressive art. You can come here, make a picture, video, but make sure with no flash. It is very, very impressive. This one is just the aula of the university. Wow. Wow. And wow. So I go to the 5th tower, and actually that is the river, Odra River, and here is the view from the 5th tower. Wow, it's windy, but it's worth it. Wow, look at this, amazing. Nice. That's, I think, the cathedral church over there, and here down there is the Odra River. Look, there are so many attractions. Even they have a restaurant by the river like this, and the tram down there. It's beautiful. Ah, look at this. Even they have a river cruise. That's the restaurant by the river. Beautiful. It is a very nice city. Actually, what I can recommend you, whenever you come to Poland, you can go to like Wrocław. This is the view of the city from the 5th floor. It's impressive, and behind me is just like the river, Odra River, and we see that they also have a river cruise. It's like the Asian vibe, which is a river cruise. I think that is the same like the one in Torun, but it's more touristy, I guess.
Okay, so we showed you the museum inside, and now we are going to this one. Is the market, like Hala Targowa, a little bit similar to the market what I saw in the pictures, like in Ho Chi Minh, Saigon City in Vietnam. That's actually where we were last time. I wanna have a look how it looks like. Yes, thank you as well, huh?
Yes, I really now a big fan of the traditional market. So let's see how it is inside, and I love shopping. Let's go.
Sayang, how do you feel? It's hot in Poland?
It's very hot. It's just like, I don't know what to say, but it's not humid. Easy to walk.
Tak. And this is the Hala Targowa there. We're going there. I don't know why I'm filming. Queenie actually supposed to film. However, I didn't been here when I was here last time. Let's go. Chodź, chodź. He's green. Chodź, 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 chodź. Oh, and that's Stefani Topaj. They have a trams like this one, the blue. Stefani Topaj. I still remember the Thailand. Okay, let's go. It's from 1908 lah. Nice. Let's get inside. Let's have a look.
Tak.
Actually similar, like I said.
Tak.
You can buy souvenirs here.
Ah,
Everything.
yes. Wow. Let's cool off ourselves. This one kantor, which means money changer. Oh wow. Wow. Very nice. Ah, this is what I really like. Going in the market. Nice. Ice cream. Wow. Hello. Hi, hi. Oh, so many nice food. You see, it's really like the one where we go in the Saigon.
It's like in Saigon, huh?
Tak?
Very
Like
similar.
Bentan Market, tak?
Okay, let's go. Also a lot of international cuisines.
Yes, 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 yes. Cheese. Oh, cherries. But yes, of course. Maybe because this one is tourist place. The price is also. Ah, kohanya they have a dragon,
Dragon fruit.
fruits.
Unbelievable, huh?
Tak.
35 zloty per piece. That's actually like $10, but it's okay.
Nice. Oh, herbs. Wow. So many nice things. Ice cream. Oh.
But,
Wow.
but I guess there will be no scorpion vodka here,
No.
like in Saigon.
Let's go. Oh, flower shop Kuyati. Oh, what is this, Kohanya?
This is like a cemetery flower. If somebody
Oh.
dead and you visit or pass away, you buy it.
Okay. Interesting. And look at the building. Okay. Let's see. Oh, they have a cafe. They have a pastry bakery shop. Oh. Kohanya, do you wanna buy cake?
Yeah. I'm just looking.
Herbert Cherna. Oh, look at the cake. Nice. Oh, look at this. They're selling sausage, meat. Oh, they're selling coffee, tea. Oh, so many antique things. Oh, the meat and the sausage, Maleko and cheese.
Herbs. Look,
Ah,
big selection of herbs.
oh. Oh, look at this. This one is, I think, the Italian section. Nice. Cheese. Okay. Honey, there are so many chocolate shop here. Oh, look at this. Very nice. So many selection of the cake. Galaretka. Nice. Very nice. Look at the price of the cake. Italy. Oh, this one is the honey. Oh.
That's the Italian section.
Ah. Italian.
Italian, Turkish, Polish.
Nice. Looks so tempting. Even they have a boat like in Bangkok.
Yeah.
Tak?
Actually,
Tak?
yeah.
Oh my god. So we just enjoying. It's very hot outside. It's about, I don't know, 34 degrees or something. And we just decided to go have a beer and sitting here by the river. Look. You see Kohanya, look. They're gonna come. That's the cathedral church basically on the background. Nice. They're gonna come here, I guess. Oh, look at this. That's behind is the cathedral church, and here you see People are cruising by the boat. Really, this is really look like a Bangkok, but in different setting in Europe. I mean, that's the church. Meanwhile, in Bangkok is a Bangkok temple. It is very nice. And Wahanye, you got overheated, yeah? Tak? Oh, and that's the place basically. Nice. So we decided to have a beer. No, this one is 0.0, less than 0.5.
Zero. No.
Non-alcoholic drink. Okay, so what do you think about Wrocław?
This is my third time in Wrocław.
My first impression is that it's beautiful. It reminds me about really like Asia, like in Bangkok. They have a Hala Targowa traditional market. They have a boat, river boat, right? River cruise, something like that. And yeah, so if we miss a life like in Bangkok in Asia or something like that, we can come here. See, everything is here in Poland.
Considering that this July is hot, it's like in Asia. I don't know.
Yes, as I show you in the screen, like even they have like a wooden river boat. Exactly. So we were there having our beer rest, and here it is the Odra River, and that's the church. That's the background. So I think that let's go to the church, right, Kohanye?
Tak, let's go. You like churches.
Like this, really look like the river boat cruise in Bangkok. See? Oh, nice. Very nice. And that's the view of the church. Beautiful. They have a lock here, right, Kohanye? Nice. And look at the wooden boat. And that's the bridge actually. And here behind is another coffee shop. So, oh, let's go, Kohanye. Nice. So Wrocław is actually the city which is this dwarf, famous for the dwarf, right, Kohanye?
Tak.
And look at the bridge, so beautiful.
Ostrów Poliski.
Poland really the country with lots of history. Look at this one, the boat, very nice. Wow, look at this building. And I see from the internet during the winter time or night time there will be guy who switch on the light just like the traditional way. Amazing. That's the view of the church. Nice. And look at the number of tourists. Nice. Oh, look at this. So cute, isn't it? And there it is. Wow.
Because he was killed by a Czech king, and his body was
Nice.
thrown off the bridge into.
Beautiful. Wow, look at this beautiful statue. I think this is the fountain. That is the fountain. And look at the churches behind.
So cool, huh?
It is very impressive.
Tak.
Wow. This beautiful restaurant with a green garden. And look at the church in front of me. The cathedral church. Nice. Very nice.
This whole area was pretty valuable. The church, though, was rebuilt
So beautiful.
in 6 years.
Look at this beautiful cathedral church. Amazing. It's beautiful. So this was actually the church. We were there inside, and here is the look of the place. Very nice. Decided to have a pizza today for dinner, and look at this. We are in the Iggy Pizza because we see that the review, very nice review, right, in this area. And look at this place, packed with people. Look at this huge pizza. Oh my goodness. Smacznego, kochanie. Kochanie, smacznego. And look at surround. I really like the neon and everything, and most of them they are young people. So after dinner we come back here again, and look at this. Wow, so busy. Left, right, nice. What is this?
That's this Dutch football fans.
Ah,
If the orange, they are Dutch.
okay.
They sitting in the Dutch or German restaurant because there is the match. Today the Holland, the Turkey is playing. That's why.
Okay.
Dobrze, tylko patrz pod nogi.
So look at this time. I think this one is more afternoon, more busier. And here it is, the live band. Nice.
الشمس طلعت من فتاة.
Decided to have a dessert and coffee, and here is nice. Yeah, just coffee. And this is very nice place with the aircon. Nice. And cake. So basically in Wrocław it is famous for the dwarf statue like this. Ah. Why there are so many dwarf like this, kochanie? Okay, in short, it's just like this. Basically, we are going home, and this down there, here, there is a parking. We are in the Plac Wolności, and in front of us is Wrocławska Potańcówka, right, kochanie?
Wrocławska Potańcówka, like a place where there is little DJ and then the free place for the people to dance. Random people, they just can enter and you don't need to go to beach club to enjoy. For free. Okay, switch it off because we're gonna get copyright. Is Shakira singing.
I know, but so many babchas and Jadek dancing. In Wrocław is so enjoyable, right? During summer like this, you know, even the Plac Wolności, they have a very interesting dance.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, there's so many people are coming here just to enjoy the time, so it's very enjoyable. Dinner, and now it's time for coffee. Already tired. You know, the heat actually makes us a bit tired, right, kochanie? And yeah, we just run around having coffee, and then after this we will go home, right? It's just like a one-day trip to Wrocław.
It's actually 180 kilometers away.
It's like 2 hours, 1.5 2 hours, and easy, and especially with the road, it is very easy. See, I got something black here. I think that I'm already tired. I think that's all my video today, our video today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so I'll show you from the car perspective. I'm already getting overheated, and look at this one. Ooh, wow, nice, isn't it? And look at this one. I was there on the top before, like this. Nice. That's the tram, and here we go. Wow, look at this. Nice. On the right side is the river, Odra River, and here is the I think that Wrocław University.
This is the edge actually.
What sort of car in the front looks so ugly?
Dodge Challenger. Actually, nice car to drive far.
And
Wow, big engine.
oh, they have a restaurant also by the river. Look, really, it look like in Bangkok. Yeah, nice. Tram, nice. And look at the people walking. Look at the sunset, gonna be nice.